Hi everyone, this is Neeraj Jaiswal from neeracademy.com. Welcome to the episode. In this episode, we are going to discuss about the control flow. You are going to learn about the if statement. So basically, in any control flow in Swift, you don't need to add any parenthesis like we used to do in Objective-C. We can just ignore parentheses and do something like this and it will be taken. Let me show you with an example. So we'll just write a piece of code. Let age equal to 50. We'll declare a variable category. By default, we'll give it a value of citizen. And now we'll add if statement. If age is greater than 60, category will set as senior citizen. We'll print category at last. Okay, slight typo out here. Yeah, so we are done. Now if you see, as the value was 50, it didn't go inside and is printed citizen. Now let me change this value to 70. So it's running and you will see the value got changed because of this if statement. Now we can play around with this if statement and I'll show you how to add an else to this. What I'll do is I'll add the else condition here like this. You can add it like this with the else one keyword, and I'll just copy this piece of code out here, paste it here, and I will just add not a senior citizen. So now what will happen is it will change the value of category to not a senior citizen if the value is less than equal to 60. So right now as it is 70, it is going inside the first block. Let me change it back to 50. So it has gone to not a senior citizen block. So this value has got overwritten. So this is how you use if and else statement. Now I'll show you the if else. So rather else if statement keyword use. So now assume that you want to categorize, like on the basis of the age you want to categorize to young, middle aged, something like that. So what we can do is we can add else if age is greater than 35, we'll call it middle aged. It's running. So between 35 and 60, any value will give you the middle aged. So it enters this block. So as you can see, we had 50 and it has entered this block and it has given middle aged. You can also add something like young. You can keep on adding like this. So if 35 instead of 35, I'll just now give something above 18, young. I'll change this value to something like 24. Now it will print young. This is the way you can use the if and else statement. So friends, this is Neeraj Jaiswal from neeracademy.com signing off from this episode.